Hey y'all, so in this video we're gonna unbox this laptop which is the MSI Thin 15, the one with 4050 GPU in it. So let's go into the unboxing. So it came in this box and it's a big box to be frank. So let's see what's in it. So I kind of mistakenly unboxed the thing from bottom to top rather than top to bottom. So it would be one of the weirdest videos you would see. So I start I start from the back. I started straight with the cardboard and thought, oh, where's the laptop? And digging in right in, we get the charging brick and the cable. So what else do we have? What else do we have? And the layer of cardboard, and we do have the paperwork and things, the user manual guides and things, and there we have finally our laptop. This is it. So it weighs slightly below 2 kilograms if I'm not wrong, something like 1.86 kilogram they say in the marketing and things. So is the thing. It's like a gray color version of the thing. And so let's go to a quick spec kind of thing. So this comes with a 12650H processor, 12th gen i7 processor, and it comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it comes with a 1080p display, and which is like 45% NTSC if I'm not wrong, and it has the 4050 GPU RTX obviously. And let's see if this power ons. I think it doesn't have any charge in it. Yes, there's some thing to protect the screen and things. And of course it has like a bluish, what do you call the color, I don't know, teal kind of a color for RGB. So let's see